Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off search history in Google. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, just open up any web browser. Doesn't matter which device or which browser you use. And we are going to type in myactivity.google.com. Then simply tap on this search. And then you have to tap on this first result here. So once you are here, you have to make sure that you are logged into your specific account that you want to turn off that search history for. Then you can see web and app activity right here in the top. Tap on it and it allows me, if I scroll down, just hit this turn off. This will allow me to pause and turn off all app activity and web app activity. You can see it includes apps, websites, all that stuff. It includes Google Maps, browsing history, Play Store, or all these things, Google News. It will turn off all of this activity, including your search history, all that stuff. It basically will not track any of this stuff. It will be as if you are watching all of that stuff or searching everything in incognito mode. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to turn off search history in Google. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.